Alright, good morning. Just wanted to come over here to this vent here that I came up on. The dryer is on. There is absolutely no airflow coming out of it. It's clogged so bad that there is no air. So I'm going to get this cleaned out and I'll give you a look at what it should be like when it's all done and the air is flowing. Now, before I get started, I want to give you a look down inside of the vent so you may see exactly how bad it can get inside of there. There you go. See that? All that lint in there. It's got to come out. Alright, now that we've cleaned out the vent, here you can see all the lint that came out of it. Let's take a look inside.